The man who made this day come true and never failed to make an effort every day, even we're miles apart. Salamat kasi ikaw yung pinili ni Lord para piliin at mahalin ako. The day that I met you, I found my missing piece.
Tandang-tanda ko pa nung una tayong nagkita. Napaka-decente mo sa suot mong uniforme. Kahit na hindi mo ako naging estudyante, sa'yo ko pa rin natutunan yung salitang kampante. Dahil naniniwala ako na basta teacher, mabait at galante.
Ruth, bukal ba sa'y loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Russell na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Russell, bukal ba sa'y loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ruth na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Love, salamat sa pagpili sa akin araw-araw. Salamat sa paulit-ulit na pag-unawa. I promise that I will forever cherish you from now on till the end. Today, we will step forward to another chapter of our relationship. It also symbolizes the beginning of building a future with you, and I want you to be part of my life until the end. I love you.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be. Time and again, my darling, you're everything. So let the world grow in a garden. Hear me now and know the truth.
Very teacher painter! Thank you, love. Thank you sa gift. Nagustuhan ko. Thank you. I love you.
It's always you. Like the sun that's steady rising. Like a sea.
Akala ko pa noon, after my biggest heartbreak, hindi ko na kaya ulit magmahal. Ang daming luha. Ang sabi ko pa, Lord, kung hindi naman po tamang tao ang darating, wag na lang.
I vow to stand by your side, as I am in the past years. And I will promise you na sasamahan ka sa lungkot at saya, at sa bawat talo at panalo, dahil sa iyo'y naramdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal.
Always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you.
After all, may ibibigay pala siya sa akin na mas hihigit pa. Salamat, love, kasi minahal mo ko ng higit pa sa inaakala ko.
It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow,
you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home.
Kahit na isa akong seafarer na hindi marunong lumangoy, asahan mong sabay tayong aahon pagdating ng panahon. I love you.
It's always you, it's always you.